Welcome to the YouTube channel guys, and I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to install the racing stripe. As you can see, I have ordered before and I mentioned also in my previous videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. I'm going to show you while installing. So let me know in the comment below how my car looks, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to start it now. Alright guys, the first part is done. How do you think it looks? Now the second part, the two other parts. So right now the distance matter. I'm not sure how far I should put, how far it should be from the middle, so it will look good. So we still have bubbles here. For some reason when they go on the side, they don't just go out. But it's not that bad, I guess. Maybe I can use a little bit heat later and make it correct. But it looks like it's centered very well. So let's just go to the second one and install it. I think this distance should be enough. Yeah, I think so. Okay, time to install the very last one and see how it's gonna turn out. What do you think guys, how it looks? Let me show you from the front. What do you think? How does it look? As you probably can see, the line, left line a little bit curvy, but I think it's okay. I don't want to peel off again and then it might not stick properly. So a little bit is fine, because if you see a little bit on side, then you won't notice anything. So this is it for the I do have a monster claws. I'm thinking to where to put them, so let's see. Now we have this, as you can see here in the video. What do you guys think? Should I install it or not? So I'm not sure what should I do with it, if it's gonna look good or not. So I think I will see about this one. Where should I install? And I don't see proper position for this one. I think I'm gonna leave this for now for a few days, and later on I will see what should I do with it. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I will probably guys see you in the next one. I will decide where to put those claws, the monster claws. I'm not sure how do I put them because I don't want to put them on the light, and I will see about that. And so stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting a lot of stuff. Whatever I do with my car, I will be keep posting. As you guys know already that I have previously installed the plastic dip on my front grille, so it's not that good now. Let me show you. Maybe I should just remove it, and yeah, let me show you here. See that? There's a lot of areas where it's peeling off, so I think I will remove it soon, probably in the next week. And then I do have the decal for that, so I don't know if I'm gonna install that or not. It's black, and I will see if should I install it or not, but I think this red one do look good. So yeah, and I do have a little bit ding here on the top of the car. Maybe you can see it's right here. So I have to remove that, and that's it.